What's up, guys? Nick No K here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I am going to, for the first time, show you guys my downhill bike, which is right behind me. Do a little bike check on it, tell you about it a little bit, and I did some laps up at Woodward Tahoe. Throw those GoPro clips in here at the end, and yeah, let's roll the intro. Alright, first things first, guys. If you like this video and you like these type of videos, click the like button. It does help. And if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do that. Click the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. We are this close to getting 2K followers, and I got a lot of content planned throughout the fall and the winter for you guys. So let's get to it. Alright, guys, so I started to do a little bit of B-roll of the bike real quick before I start getting the bike check, and it's dirty as fuck. Hi, my dog. So, real quick, hose it down so we can do this the right way, alright? Come here, come here. The grass is wet, now my ass is wet, and I'm pretty upset about that. Second thing, alright, we'll start over here. So, first off, we got the RockShox Boxer World Cup fork. It's solo air. I have it pretty much pumped up to the max pressure with the max amount of bottomless tokens in there, which is 4. Still bottoming out on it. I haven't really figured out how to change that. DT Swiss EX 471 rims laced up to DT Swiss 240 hubs. One thing, this bike I actually bought from Nicholi Rogatkin, so it's got all the Nicholi Rogatkin stuff. It's got Spank spike bars, the 800s of the Vibrocore, SRAM guide levers, and SRAM guide brakes, you know. And actually, the guides took a shit on me, so I actually just warrantied them and replaced them. SRAM guides have a problem where the plunger sticks. They fixed that problem, but all the bikes that have the levers from 2016 or 2017 are screwed. So if you have those, get them fixed. This is a Continental Trail King on the front. I had one on the back too, but I blew that up, so that's not on the back anymore. What else is on the front of this bike? A pretty big rotor. I don't really know what size it is. Maybe 200, 210. You know, a red O-ring. You know, to ensure that you're knowing you're bottoming out every time. Moving on to this area of the bike here, Arizona T bike stand. They didn't send me that, so this is not an endorsement. The truth is I didn't have a beer can tall enough to do it, and a bottle didn't hold it up. So we're using an Arizona. Let's see, we got some SRAM EXO carbon cranks on here. Technically they say Truvative, but it's same shit. We got, what kind of pedals even are these? I never even really looked. These are VP altitude, not attitude. VP altitude pedals. They're very sick. They're a super wide platform. I actually really like them a lot. As you can tell, I don't actually know what kind of parts are on this bike. I've owned it for about a year now, but like I said, I didn't build it. It came this way, so we're learning together. We've got the RockShox Vivid Air. Super nice shock, but like the front, I have this maxed out almost, and I'm bottoming the shit out of it all the time. But I have to put in the volume spacers, the reducer spacers in there. But I was going to do that the other day, and I looked at the manual on how to like take it apart and start putting that stuff in there, and it was like, no. So I'll do that when I have time to like focus, but not today. Okay, fucking choking on my hair. What's next? Woohoo! Oh, Aragon seat. super light with a carbon post. That's one thing. This bike is super light. I think it weighs like 34 pounds, which for a downhill bike is really good. Also, it is a 27.5 frame. Oh, I should tell you about the frame. It's a Specialized Demo 8, and it's a 27.5 frame with 26-inch wheels, making it easy to flip and spin and all that kind of stuff. And then over here, this back tire, we got a Butcher on there, a Butcher grid. It's not even the DH casing tire, so, you know, if you ever are in a pickle and you don't have a DH casing tire, run this. I've been running it for a while. It's got me a few good rides on it. I haven't ripped it yet, so that's cool. Dog, what are you chewing on? Hey, stop. Bella, stop eating that. Eating bark. Anyways, we've got a SRAM EXO 10-speed derailleur. Obviously, we are not running 10 gears on a downhill bike. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gears, and then like a, you know, a block to stop the chain from going up. Probably like a 180 rotor in the back. Also 471 laced up to a 240. Really light wheels altogether. Like I said, really light bike, light build, but the thing kicks ass. We got Sensus grips on it, and we got a Spank stem. But yeah, it's great. Riding DH is super fun. Like I said, I just got to figure out the suspension a little bit. I'm a light guy. I never thought I'd bottom out suspension that's pumped up to 275 PSI. But I do. It's fun as shit, though. So here is some GoPro footage from Woodward Tahoe. You shred? Where are you from, Luke?
San Francisco.
San Francisco? Heck yeah, dude. It's nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too.
Heck yeah. Alright guys, hopefully you like that GoPro footage from Woodward Tahoe. Only a few trails, nothing too technical, but this weekend I will be going up to Mammoth. I got a meeting with a potential wedding client, so I got to head up there, and I figured why not make a mountain bike trip out of it. So I'm going to go ride the downhill trails up at Mammoth. I'll do some GoPro stuff for you. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that. Like I said, if you like the video, hit that like button. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Boom. Hey, Bella. Bella.
Hi.